So it's June 2026 and you're just looking for the easiest, fastest and safest way to fully jailbreak your device 100% free. So you can go ahead and access the best streaming applications. Doesn't matter if you're interested in the latest movies, TV shows, live TV, pay-per-view, sports, all of that content can be accessed just by following the steps in this easy video. And the great thing is anybody can do it, takes a couple of seconds, and once you're done, you'll have a fully loaded Firestick you can enjoy for a long time. Now to start the process, just head over to search. Let's click on that. Let's now type in the word downloader. Let's type that in. This is a great application. It's a built-in browser, allows you to access different websites on the internet, but more importantly, allows you to download content directly onto your device. Let's click on that. This is the application here. So once you've installed that, you can now press the home key. Now, before we open up the application, we have to just grant it permissions to make sure that we can install applications through Downloader. Now, to grant those permissions, head over to your settings. Go into where it says My Fire TV. Let's click on that. And click on Developer Options. Now, if you don't see Developer Options on your device, just click on About. Where you see your device type, we can see I'm doing this on a Fire TV Cube, but it's the same process on a Fire TV Stick. Just press the select button here, the center button here, 7 times. And we can see on my device, it tells me, no need to do that, you're already a developer. If you're doing this for the first time on your device, it'll do a countdown and eventually you'll get the same message. Once you have that message, you can now press back on the remote and you'll then see these developer options. Let's click on those. And you're now looking for this option, which is Install Unknown Applications. You can click on that. Let's now find Downloader in the list and turn this option on. And again, this just means that you can now download applications through this application and install them directly onto your device. Once you've confirmed that, let's now press the home button. Let's now open up Downloader. And we can now use Downloader to access my website, which really has the largest repository of applications you can install on your Fire Stick, on your Android TV, or really any streaming device. Let's type that code in. Let's go to the top. And that code is just 53402. Let's type that in and click on go, and this will take you directly to my website. Now you'll notice very quickly that my website doesn't have any pop-ups, it doesn't have any adverts, doesn't have any fake links, and really is just the best and safest place to get all of your favorite applications. But I would highly recommend that you activate your VPN before doing anything on my website, and definitely before using these streaming applications. I personally recommend IPVanish. I've used them for more than 5 years now. Super fast, super reliable, and they give you unlimited connection. So it doesn't matter if you've got one Fire Stick or 200 TVs or 3 iPhones or 5 laptops, all of them can be covered just with one single account. You can then protect your privacy, you can stay safe online, and most importantly, you can stop your internet service provider monitoring you, and more importantly, trying to throttle you. So definitely go ahead and make sure you've activated your VPN. Now on my website, we can go straight over to the top where it says Get Tools, just behind my head. Let's click on that. And you now get access to a massive library of all these applications. Now, of course, you have to appreciate that streaming laws are different in different countries. What may be suitable in your country may not be suitable in my country, and definitely may not be suitable for a YouTube video. But trust me when I say that when you go through the list, you'll find all your favorite applications. But in this demonstration, let's just scroll down and let's click on the category Media Players. Let's find one of those. In this demonstration, let's just install VLC. Let's click on that. Click on Get, read the disclaimer, make sure you're happy with that. Once you're done, click on I understand. And this will then instantly begin the download directly onto your device. And you can see it's super fast, no other timers, no waiting, no fake links, no pop-ups, and go ahead and install them with one click. And we can see that's installed absolutely fine. So that's how easy it is to sideload your favorite applications. One click, you can go ahead and install them directly onto your device. The only thing I would suggest one more time, that if you are installing certain applications, certain third-party applications, it really is essential to use a VPN, just for your own privacy and just for your own protection. If you do scan that QR code, you'll get a very special price just for TechDoctorUK fans. And it's also the best way to support me and my work. So many thanks for doing that. So I really appreciate your support. Do share this video with another Fire Stick or Android TV user, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.